Hi there, my name is Jennifer Garcia, and I'm so excited to apply for the tour guide position at British Tours and Travels. Currently, I am studying industrial engineer at UNAD with a strong focus in logistics and efficient planning, which really helped me organize tours, manage schedules, and make sure every part of the tour runs smoothly. Before that, I completed a technology degree at Sena where I gained valuable skills in teamwork, communication, and leadership. This experience have made me someone who can not only plan a great journey, but also connect with different people and adapt to their needs. I'm passionate about exploring new places and sharing the history and hidden stories behind them. I believe that being a guide is not just about showing places, it's about creating unforgettable moments for travelers. I'm ready to bring my organizational skills, my positive energy, and my love for travel to your team. Thank you for considering my application.